This is a multi-capacitor. We just have that right now and this thing. And you have this tube right here. It's pretty big. I don't care though. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you just want to tape that together. Tape that. So that'll be your handle, and this thing right here. I like to make a small one right here. First, I just want to do this. Okay, you have that. And now you want to tape this thing right here, so it comes off like that. And then I'll show you how to make the aimer. This is part 2. Tape this thing right here. I think this is the end of the video. The videos I want to be showing you how to make. Yeah, you have this, and you want to tape it onto this one. Okay. You tape that, and you just want to tape it again, and you have 2 flaps like that, so I would kind of fit it, hold it like this, and then there'll be a clip there. Then you just like to put it right about there somewhere. Kind of looks like a pistol. You could actually put something around there, or like this way, like that. Ow! And yeah. And if you take that. Now if you want to make a kunai knife, you just go on my list and then you find how to make a paper kunai knife. It's part 3, part 4. I mean part 2, part 1 thing. And I have that. I messed up on this. Just do this. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Now I just like to tape this together. Now you have that. Okay, grab this. You have this. So just like to the thing what we made with this thing here, this big thing, this big tube, just to test that over there. You still need it. I need it. And you just like have this. Then you're just gonna down like that. Okay, you have that. And I just like to maybe tape it. I have different kind of tape. Trust me. Then you have that, and you like to just poke it up there. Make it as a tube. So now we have that, something like that. You could tape it, or okay, have a tube like that. And I just like to go here, like that. And I just like to do this. See, that's what you do. And then you grab this gun. See if this fits in there. Of course it fits in there. And yeah. How about 2 more minutes? And I'm just gonna make this a bit more tape it on with this one. And let's see if this one fits in there too. Okay, and you have this one. The one's not taped right here. Then you just like to tape them together. Tape them. Oh yeah, people. If you guys live in China or something, and you guys don't understand this video, don't go walk around at 11:36 at China. Because there'll be a lady, she walks around some kind of complex in China. And yeah. Facebook. Someone told me that. Yeah, fit like that. Yeah, I like to keep it out like that. Look. Just one, or you could just slide up like that. I don't know. Now you just want to tape the clip on there. Hey, I'm gonna hurry here. Hurry. Okay, you have that. And then you just need to keep this clip or something, and then right there. Grab another piece. And make it in 4 pieces. Like 1, 2, and like this. And that. And that. And like to just fold it down. Now you just want to fold it down again. See, like you made, I think, 4 sheets already, or 6. I don't know. Well, you have that. Now you just like to cut out a little piece of thing like this. And I like to cut it how far you want it. I'll keep in mind about that big. Right here. But not this big. I'm going to cut it right there, about there. And now about 1 more minute I'm going to be doing this video. And then we're going to be done. Okay, just like to put that at the end there. Tape it on. You could do it a different way if you want. I'm doing it this way. Some boy showed me the video. Oh damn, these things fall out so fast at times. Okay, you just like to tape those ones too. There. Now this is the video, and yeah, there's only part 2, 1 to 2 anyways. And there, that's your paper gun.